Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
While most of the innovation happens in the premium segment, Motorola took it upon itself to bring something new to the mid-range segment. Here's Motorola One Action that comes with a built-in action cam. Yes, an action cam. The clip you are seeing right now has been shot on the Motorola One Action, and there's something more to it. So let's jump right into the Motorola One Action cam review, shall we? For starters, the action cam supports enhanced video stabilization feature that produces extremely stable videos of moving objects, even if you are moving yourself to record the shot. So essentially, the Motorola One Action has a dedicated ultra-wide video camera with 117-degree field of view, which is tilted at 90 degrees, so that you can shoot horizontal videos while keeping the phone vertically in one hand. One Action also promises better low-light video recording with the action cam with its quad-pixel technology. And while it produces better videos than other phones priced way higher than the Motorola One Action, I'd say not to have some crazy high expectations. Then there's also the option of slow motion and time-lapse video, which works fine with enhanced stabilization. You can shoot FHD videos at 60 FPS with enhanced stabilization via the ultra-wide video camera as well as via the primary 20MP sensor at the back. While the action cam cannot shoot 4K videos, the primary sensor can record 4K videos, but the stabilization is not present in this quality. That's about the video part. Let's come to the usual stuff. Design and display-wise, Motorola One Action is identical to the Motorola One Vision with its tall body and 21:9 punch hole display. The only difference is that One Action sports a plastic back instead of glass, but it still looks premium. The phone fits well into hand, but it's still thick and the punch hole is too big to ignore. Otherwise, the screen is bright enough to use outdoors and read text under direct sunlight. The performance of the phone is good. It doesn't lag or stutter even when pushed to the extreme, and it can handle graphics-heavy games like PUBG even at high settings. The stock Android in the phone is clean and snappy. The rear-mounted fingerprint sensor works quite fast, and the face unlock feature is also impressive. Motorola One Action sports a 12MP plus 5MP dual rear camera setup, and it takes vibrant pictures with proper color reproduction and dynamic range. It is a bit weak on the details and low-light shots aren't good in particular. The night mode is missing in the One Action, unlike the One Vision, so nighttime photos aren't good either. I like the spot color feature on the camera app, which creates some spectacular shots. The 12MP front camera of the phone takes good selfies with proper skin tone, but the exposure levels are not good. Motorola One Action features Dolby Atmos speaker, which is capable of producing a loud sound. The 3500 mAh battery on the One Action disappoints as it barely lasts a day, which is a shame. The 10-watt charger takes more than 2.5 hours to fully charge it. To sum it up, Motorola One Action has a tall body that can be used easily with one hand, a good screen, and smooth performance. The added bonus of the action cam is a welcome addition, and the high level of stabilization in video recording is really commendable. However, battery life, thick build, and the giant punch hole push it down. But given the things it gets right at its price point of Rs 13,999, I definitely suggest you to consider the Motorola One Action.